My people, this na TMC TV. My name na Omo Aluke Ajakaye, and as you be now TMC TV, now that station where they give it to you when concern you, when concern mama, when concern papa, when concern people, when concern everybody to make sure our country dey better. You go remember say we carry story come meet you about CBN plan to redesign the Naira. You can't chook mouth. Some people talk say they're happy, some people talk say they're not happy. As it be so, President Buhari don't unveil the redesign of 200, 500 and 1,000 Naira notes.
The new Naira banknotes have been fortified with security features that make it difficult to counterfeit. These new banknotes will help the central bank design and implement better monetary policy objectives.
He do this unveiling for the weekly Federal Executive Council meeting, and as they unveil the money, the CBN governor turned out for there, Godwin Emefiele turned out for the place, even EFCC Chamo, it turned out for the place. CBN governor can talk say, this redesign of the Naira will help tackle counterfeit money, what they call fake money for street.
They help to control inflation, as the exercise will bring the hoarded currency back into the banking system, help in increasing financial inclusion, moving towards a more cashless economy, and ensuring greater formalization of the Nigerian economy. The currency redesign would assist in the fight against corruption, as the exercise would rein in the higher denomination used for corruption, and the movement of such funds from the banking system could be tracked easily by the relevant sector.
And this one make us carry waka come street today. This new redesign of the Naira, we don't see the color, we don't see how the redesign be for on top internet. How President Buhari hold the money, unveil the money. What thing you think about them? You like the color of the money? The money go get any impact for you? It will get any impact for price of beans for market, or price of foodstuff, or price of transport. Make we see what you at the talk. Make we chook mouth for the matter.
The new Naira note, to me, is not what the nation needs at this particular time. Because look at it generally. It has not come to do or to change anything concerning Nigeria currency. If the government can do anything about the Nigeria currency, it should be on the economy. How can be able to do what? To add more value to this Naira, not changing the color per se. Because when you look at the color, it has no difference with the former Naira that we have. So the only area I need that this thing would have been an effect if maybe what is being designed in another way, whereby other people that are maybe hidden our Naira or those can become what? Useless. But like this one now that they brought to us now, seeing it, I don't see any difference in it from the previous one. The only difference is just the color.
But the central bank governor talks say it will help to fight counterfeit money, fake money when they town. What do you see to talk about that one?
Brother, if you look that money very well, you see I say the only difference between that money and this present one, na color. They only change the color from the 200 Naira to 500 Naira. Carry from the 500 Naira to 200 Naira. Then add purple, join the 1,000 Naira on. Now that one be the difference. That one now alone, you don't change anything from the Naira. You don't even encounter the previous one. Because the people correct the other one come and put the same color to it, go still be the same thing.
See this money where they bring console, what we don't see here, that will not be solution of Nigeria. Because the money, as they print the money, now to make the economy go down more. So for that money where they print, it not get value, it not get use. Our money not get use. Formerly when me had a grow come, our money it be part of evil money. So now that they print money, and things they worst, things they cost every time. So that money, there's no, it not get value. Now the way to make us put us in stress, now all it be. So that money for my own, me I not like am. Because the money not be the problem what we get. The problem what we get, things to cost. We not fit buy anything for market. School is the same thing. If you go classroom now, children dey down, you sit down for ground. Now they print money, road not good, nothing good. They bring money come out. So this money where they bring come, my brother, e not get use o. Now the way to cheat more Nigeria, now it be.
It's okay. To me, the color is okay. I noticed the like the 10 Naira, 20 and the 50 that we have, the resemblance of them were the 200, the 500 and the 1,000. So it's okay.
So you think say get any impact for the common man?
To the commoner, you see the same to me. Now the way they see the money before, now you see the same. You don't change anything. The only way they look at these bandit people, we say they collect money before from for this Ramson thing. The one we don't deal with them before now. If you know how quick they use them, we say it don't spoil for their hand. Be that.
Not be the money color we need. We not need the money color. So me not see reason why they want change the color. We need changes. We need better things. Things too dear. They change money. Now that be the country problem. Not be that be the country problem. We need better thing. Changing of money not solve anything for the country. And that mean see for side though. Whether they change the money, they not change money. Or where the country dey. Now there see they not go forward, they not go back. It dey where it dey.
Changing money or not changing money. Corrupt practices we are talking about. Nobody to be figured out. So if they like, they change the money. They like, they not change it. To me, let us be one Nigeria.
It don't make any sense because this country economic is disastrous, and I don't see any how it will help this country economic. It will rather bring katakata to people past the way things be now. So to me, it don't make any sense. And the notice time is too short. So it's going to bring confusion the more to this country. It's not going to help the country in any way.
So as you just so you don't like to carry fine money, new money.
I don't like them at all. It's not like they increase the currency. It's not like the money is even fine, because if you look away, it be like waiting go fit stay person pockets. So I don't see any reason why Buhari go just bring that kind of money come, because it don't make any sense to me.
When you juxtapose it with the money that was also expended to redesign it, you will see that the country stands to lose a lot. So, but by and large, you know, they will say that the majority will have their way, while the minority will only just have their say. So I think I belong to the minority group now, who is vehemently opposed to this redesigning. But I think the government now, that is like the majority, they already have their way.
My people, this na TMC TV. You don't see what people talk about the redesign of the Naira. Some say it did good, say go help tackle fake money, go help tackle insecurity. Others say corruption, go help tackle corruption. But most people come they criticize and say at this point, no be waiting Nigeria need be this. Nigeria needs stable economy, and this new Naira no go help change the economy at all. This na TMC TV. My name na Aluke Ajakaye. Don't forget your PVC na be your power. No say I'm giving any politician an election day.